Aujourd'hui est marqué par la mort de Yahya Sinwar. Et ce jour est un tournant, en même temps qu'un succès militaire pour Israël. Je pense, en le disant, aux familles du 7 octobre. Cette occasion doit être saisie pour que tous les otages puissent être libérés et pour que la guerre soit enfin arrêtée. Il faut en effet mettre fin aux opérations militaires. Désormais, après ce résultat, accepter le cessez-le-feu à Gaza et ouvrir enfin une perspective politique crédible pour les Israéliens comme pour les Palestiniens. Nous y travaillons avec tous nos partenaires, israéliens, arabes, américains. Au jour d'après la guerre à Gaza, il faudra donner à Israël des garanties solides pour sa sécurité, réformer l'autorité palestinienne et avancer vers la solution des deux États. Dans l'immédiat, il faut un cessez-le-feu à Gaza, il faut urgemment multiplier les opérations humanitaires qui sont aujourd'hui à leur point le plus bas et avancer en effet pour que cessent aussi les violences perpétrées par les colons contre les Palestiniens en Cisjordanie. Il revient au Premier ministre Netanyahou d'agir et d'entendre ce que lui disent la France et tous ceux qui sont sincèrement attachés à la sécurité d'Israël.
And then on Sinwar, of course, he is widely recognized as the architect of the 7th of October 2023 terrorist attacks on Israel. I have condemned them, all allies have condemned them, every reasonable soul in the world has condemned them. So if he has died, I personally will not miss him.
As you saw from our readout earlier today, Secretary Austin spoke earlier today with Israeli Minister of Defense Gallant to discuss the reports on the killing of Sinwar and to get an update. I would highlight that when the call occurred, the IDF was still working to confirm Sinwar's death. During the call, Secretary Austin also reaffirmed U.S. support for Israel's right to defend itself and reiterated that the deployment of the Terminal High Altitude Area Defense Battery represents the United States' unwavering, enduring, and ironclad commitment to Israel's security. The short answer is no, this was an Israeli operation. U.S. forces were not directly involved. Again, as we've highlighted, we've had a small number of special operations forces that have been advising the Israelis on hostage recovery efforts. And again, as the president's statement highlighted, that included working side by side with their Israeli counterparts to help locate and track Sinwar and other Hamas leaders hiding in Gaza who've been holding people, to include Americans, hostage since October 7th. But again, this was an Israeli operation, and I would refer you to them to talk about the details of how the operation went down.
Today, Israel confirmed that Yahya Sinwar, the leader of Hamas, is dead, and justice has been served. And the United States, Israel, and the entire world are better off as a result. Sinwar was responsible for the killing of thousands of innocent people, including the victims of October 7 and hostages killed in Gaza. He had American blood on his hands. Today, I can only hope that the families of the victims of Hamas feel a sense and measure of relief. This moment gives us an opportunity to finally end the war in Gaza. And it must end such that Israel is secure, the hostages are released, the suffering in Gaza ends, and the Palestinian people can realize their right to dignity, security, freedom, and self-determination. And it is time for the day after to begin.